Oh, my head. It feels so heavy right now. Maybe I drank too much last night. I can barely remember how I ended up here. I even slept on this couch all night. My whole body feels uncomfortable. I really should have gone to my bedroom. What a terrible way to wake up. I wonder where Aroha is now. That girl is always driving me crazy. We had an argument last night, too. I can't even remember everything clearly. Are you going to college? Are you even listening to me? I'm talking to you.
Can't you see that, Mom? Of course I'm getting ready for my class. I don't want to be late for college.
Look, Aroha, I'm sorry about last night. I drank too much, and I wasn't thinking clearly. Maybe I slapped you in anger.
Maybe? You don't even remember it clearly. I was trapped in that terrible weather yesterday. I almost died. But you didn't even know what happened to me. I came home after almost drowning. A stranger had to save my life.
A stranger saved you? What happened exactly? Why were you alone in such dangerous weather?
Just forget about it. I'm getting late. I have to leave. I just want you to understand me, Mom. I don't want to fight with you every day. I only want a mother who truly cares about me. Is that really too much to ask? I don't expect you to understand anymore. Maybe you only realize things when it's too late.
Is everything okay with you, Fanya? You woke up earlier than usual today. And you are not even drinking your tea.
Something happened at the hospital yesterday. I can't stop thinking about it. The whole situation has been troubling me. That's why I couldn't sleep properly last night.
What happened? Did Daniel do something again? Did he come to the hospital?
No, it's not about Daniel. He hasn't come there since you warned him. He is not following me anymore. This is something completely different.
Then what is bothering you so much?
A cancer patient died yesterday. But instead of informing her family, the hospital sent her body to the ICU. I was told to stay quiet about it. I think they want to keep her there and earn more money.
What? Why would anyone send a dead patient to the ICU? This doesn't make any sense at all.
That's exactly what I'm thinking too. Something very strange is happening inside that hospital. But I can't simply close my eyes and ignore it. I have to find out what is really going on.
Oh my God, Aroha. I'm so sorry to hear that. I shouldn't have left you there alone. I warned you about the weather, but I should have stayed with you.
It wasn't your fault. You told me to leave with you. But I didn't listen. I never imagined something like this would happen. I didn't think the weather would get so much worse. Then a gorilla came after me. I was so scared when I fell into the water.
The waterfall is very deep, isn't it?
Yes, that man found me near the waterfall. He heard me shouting for help. He jumped into the water and saved my life. I would have died if he hadn't come there. He brought me safely back to his car. Then he drove me all the way home. He was very kind and made sure I was safe.
He sounds like a good person. You should thank him properly.
Sir, your pending hospital bill is $5,000. You need to make the payment right now.
But how is my wife's condition? Is she getting better? You people keep asking me for money. But no one is clearly telling me about her health.
The doctors are doing their best. Your wife is currently in the ICU. She is still fighting against cancer. We are providing her with the necessary treatment.
I just want to see her. I haven't spoken to my wife since yesterday. Please tell me honestly, is she going to be all right? My daughter keeps asking about her mother.
I want to see Mom. I miss her so much. Why can't we visit her? Is Mommy still very sick?
Maybe they are the cancer patient's family. Poor girl. She is still so young.
I just hope my wife gets better soon. Please do everything possible to save her.
The husband's name is Oliver Sink. The patient is currently in the ICU. Oh my God, what is this? These recent updates are shocking me. It says she is responding to treatment. How can a dead patient respond to treatment? It says the patient is stable and under observation. But Mansha is already dead. I know what I saw with my own eyes. I was standing there when Mansha took her last breath. She died in front of me. They are keeping her name in the ICU records. They are giving false updates to charge her family more money. This is much worse than I thought. I should speak to her husband.
This is the same house. I just wanted to check if that girl is okay. She looked kind and beautiful. I keep wondering how she is feeling now. I saved her life yesterday. I wouldn't mind getting to know her better. I should just knock on the door. Let's see if Aroha is home.
Yes, how can I help you? Who are you looking for?
My name is Daniel. I'm looking for Aroha. I saved her life yesterday near the waterfall. I just came to see if she is okay.
Oh, so you're the man who saved her? She told me that someone helped her. Thank you for what you did, Mr. Daniel.
Oh, I didn't know Aroha had a sister. She looks quite beautiful too. They don't look exactly alike. But both of them are very attractive. Interesting.
Please come inside. We will talk more.
Well, you must be Aroha's sister, right?
No, Mr. Daniel. I'm not her sister. I'm actually Aroha's mother. Why do you look so shocked?
No way. This can't be true. I honestly thought you were her older sister. You look far too young to be her mother.
Really? Don't I look like Aroha's mother at all? People sometimes get confused about that. But yes, I am definitely her mother.
I still can't believe it. You look more like her sister than her mother. You have taken very good care of yourself, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. I just try to take care of myself. A woman should never completely forget herself.
That's true. So, what do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I own a hospital in this city. My husband and I got divorced some time ago.
I see. As for me, I'm not married either. I'm still single and looking for a beautiful and honest woman. Maybe I just haven't found the right person yet.
Oh, I'm sure you will find someone someday. You seem like a decent man. Would you like something to drink while you are here?
Sure, thank you. I would appreciate that.
Make yourself comfortable. I will be back in a few minutes.
Are you Mansha's husband? I need to ask you something about her.
Yes, I am. Is there any news about my wife? Did something happen to her condition?
Well, could you tell me what the hospital has told you about your wife? What exactly did the doctors or staff say to you?
They told me that she is receiving treatment in the ICU. They said the doctors are doing their best to save her, but they keep asking me to pay more money.
I see. Have they allowed you to see her? Did you get a chance to speak with her?
No, they haven't allowed me to see her. Every time I ask, they tell me to wait outside.
Okay. Don't go anywhere, and try not to worry. I will be right back after checking something.
You look very attractive today, Elira. Maybe we should go out tonight. We can have some fun.
Of course, Dr. Oleg. You know I'm always here for you. Just tell me where you want to go.
Dr. Oleg.
Are you an idiot, Fanya? You should knock before entering someone's office. Don't you know even basic manners?
This is a hospital, not a romantic park. You are both on duty. If you want to do personal things, do them outside the hospital.
What happened, Fanya? Why did you come here looking so upset? Tell me what you want.
I found out about Manshaw. You people are treating a dead patient on paper. She is already dead. But you keep telling her husband that she is alive.
Keep your voice down. This is not something you should discuss loudly. You don't understand how things work here.
This is how this hospital works now. The owner asked us to do these things. If you raise your voice, you could lose your job. You can join us and earn more money.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. Don't you people feel ashamed? That poor man is sitting outside with his little daughter. They believe Manshaw is still alive, while you are taking money from them. Is this why you got your medical license, Dr. Oleg? To lie to helpless people and take their money?
I think you don't understand who the owner is. Mrs. Shirley is a powerful woman, and she doesn't like people who interfere with her business.
Are you threatening me now? I became a nurse to care for patients. I can't simply watch innocent people being cheated like this.
Call it a warning if you want, but remember, you just got married. Don't you love your husband? Think carefully before you decide to fight.
I have never met a woman like you before. We seem to think in a very similar way. Honestly, I feel very comfortable talking to you.
I felt very lonely after my divorce. But sitting here and having a drink with you makes me feel alive again. It has been really nice talking with you, Mr. Daniel.
You can just call me Daniel. There is no need for formalities between us.
All right, Daniel. Maybe we should meet more often. It's actually nice to have someone around. I enjoy spending time with you.
Of course. I would be happy to visit you again. I just wish I could meet Aroha too. She was very frightened yesterday.
She is at college right now. But honestly, that girl can be very careless sometimes. She can be very stubborn. She argues with me and acts like I'm her enemy. I wish I could leave her with my husband. I'm tired of being a single mother. Maybe I will get her married soon. She can live with her husband. Then I will be free from all this responsibility. I'm sorry, Daniel. I have to answer this call.
Okay, No problem.
What happened to Lyra? Why are you calling me now?
Madam, Nurse Fanya is disturbing us. She has started questioning everything we do. She is an honest woman, and she could become a serious problem for your business.
Then fire her. I don't need a nurse who creates trouble for us. Tell Dr. Oleg to dismiss her immediately.
If we fire her suddenly, she might go to the police. She is quite clever.
So, what do you suggest?
She loves her family and her husband. So make her understand that you can do anything. Then she may stay silent.
Send me all of Fanya's details. I want to know everything about her.
Hi,